mateys, this is Captain Blue over at CGPirates. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay, so again, this is just another little set where we're going to touch upon some of the things from this set and what we've already covered. Now, if you remember, we have the light mass importance volume, which is very important to telling the light where it can render. And we have this, which is our post-process volume. Now, as I said, we're not really going to bother doing anything with our post-process volume. However, I thought I'd better explain what it is. Now, with the post-process volume, anything that's inside this box gets what's called a post-process applied to it. And the easiest way for me to kind of show you what I mean by that, well, let's have a look. Here's some bloom. Now, I'm going to go inside here and I'm going to just enable these, okay, and there we go. So I've just turned the bloom right up. Now, if you've played modern video games, you'll know yourself that they tend to use this when they want to make things look a bit blown out and over shiny. And if I leave the box, well, nothing happens at the minute. That's weird. Something should happen, shouldn't it? It should be that I go into the box and it only happens in there. Well, let me just find, here we are. If I just type UNB or unbound, okay, the start of, you'll see this little box has been ticked, which is infinite extents. If I turn that off, you'll notice that we don't get bloom here. But if I just go through here, the bloom comes on again and turns off as soon as I'm out. Okay, well, what's the use for this? Well, think about it. If we have a post-process where it's a bit cloudy and we've got rain coming down hitting the camera and, you know, all that kind of thing, maybe that would be useful for down here at the bottom, where we're at the bottom of the lighthouse. But as we go up the stairs, maybe the weather will start to change and we'll get more cloud up at the top, which is something that you can also do with your post-process volume. So that's an explanation, a really basic one, about what you can do with post-process volume. Okay, I'm going to turn these three off now and just reduce that. But you'll see there's lots of options here, and I do encourage you to have a look inside them yourself. And if you're not entirely sure what they are, well, just fire me over a question. I'll be happy to help. Okay, until next time, goodbye for now.